मानव जीवन बहुत ही दुर्लभ है प्राप्त करना। तो मैं तो यही चाहूंगा कि इस जीवन में अगर तुमको मानव शरीर मिला है तो लोगों की मदद कीजिए और एक कॉन्फिडेंस से आगे बढ़ते रहिए। ईश्वर उसी की मदद करता है जो स्वयं की मदद करता है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केम छो? मजामा छो? आज हम चालू करेंगे परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन। परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन जो है, परमुटेशन का मतलब होता है अरेंजमेंट। लेमेन्स लैंग्वेज में यानी साधारण आदमी की बोलचाल में हम अरेंजमेंट कहते हैं, उसी को ही स्टैटिस्टिकल लैंग्वेज में परमुटेशन कहते हैं। एंड कॉम्बिनेशन मतलब सिलेक्शन, चूजिंग, ड्राइंग। टू सिलेक्ट, टू चूज, टू ड्रॉ, इसी को स्टैटिस्टिकल लैंग्वेज में कॉम्बिनेशन कहते हैं। ये जो टॉपिक परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन है, ये पूरी तरह से रियल लाइफ पे बेस्ड है। रियल लाइफ में किस तरह से हम लोग चीजें अरेंज करेंगे, किस तरह से चीजें सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ये सारी चीजें हम परमुटेशन और कॉम्बिनेशन में सिलेक्ट करेंगे। असली मायने में ये टॉपिक जो है रियल लाइफ से रिलेटेड है। एप्लीकेशन तो है ही और इसका इस्तेमाल हम रियल लाइफ में करते जाएंगे। सो लेट अस बिगिन परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन। इसमें कुछ पार्ट्स हैं। जैसे हम परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन करते हैं उसमें फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। तो we'll start with factorial notation. So first very important thing जो हम करने वाले हैं फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन, और सेकंड है फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ काउंटिंग। और भी बहुत सारी कंसेप्ट्स हम सीखने वाले हैं फैक्टोरियल में, परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन। फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन, लेट फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ होल नंबर के लिए होता है। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट? फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन। इट इज, suppose n belongs to let n belongs to whole number, be any number, factorial of n is denoted as n factorial, और इसके दो नोटेशंस हैं, दिस वे और दिस वे, and is defined as n factor is what? Keep on multiplying from n till 1, n, n minus 1, n minus 2, कम करते जाएंगे नंबर्स को, into 3 into 2 into 1. This is defined as n factorial. For example, as I told, it is for whole number. 0 factorial is defined as 1. 1 factor is what? Is also 1. 2 factor is what? 2 into 1. 3 factor is defined as 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. 4 factor is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Next is what? 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 120. 6 factor is what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be 720. 7 factorial can also be written in short. 7 into 6 factorial. 7 into 720 will give you 5040. 8 factorial is what? 8 into 7 factorial. 8 into 5040. 40,320. 9 factor is what? 9 into 8 factorial. 10 factor is what? 10 into 9 factorial. Which is 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Or 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Wherever you want to stop, you have to put factorial. The next important thing is what? Fundamental principles of counting. There are two fundamental principles of counting. I'll give under the heading Rule 1. Let n at A can be done in n ways. Another at B can be done in n ways. Then the number of ways in which at A or at B can be done in. So whenever or is there, we will add their number of ways. N plus n ways. Let me clear the concept of this. For example, problem number 1 can be solved in 4 ways. This is problem 1. And problem 2 can be solved in 3 ways. So in how many ways? Problem 1 or problem 2? Or problem 2. और का मतलब हमको प्रॉब्लम 1 करना है या तो प्रॉब्लम 2 करना है. तो प्रॉब्लम 1 और प्रॉब्लम 2 can be solved in this, this, this और this, ये चार और क्रॉस क्रॉस क्रॉस, total 7 ways. So in case of or, we add their number of ways. Then rule number 2 is let n at A can be done in m ways, another at B can be done in n ways, then the number of ways in which and A or and sorry and at B can be done in m into n ways. So whenever and is there, we multiply their number of ways. For example, problem 1 can be solved in these 4 ways, whereas problem number 2 can be solved in this is problem 1. Problem 1 and this is problem 2. So in how many ways we can do problem 1 and problem 2? You can count here. If I'm doing problem 1 by this method, problem 2 by this way. So this is 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10, 11, 12. So total 12 methods are there. Number of ways in which problem 1 and problem 2 can be done in 12 ways, which is 4 into 3. So we'll do some problems based on factorial notation, and then we'll go to what? Say factorial notation. First few problems where to clear the concept. For example, 3 factorial plus 2 factorial. 3 factors what? 3 into 2 into 1 plus 2 factors what? 2 into 1. 6 plus 2. It is 8. What will happen if I'll take factorial common? 3 plus 2 factorial will give you 5 factorial, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 120 ways. From 1 and 2, we see that 3 factorial plus 2 factorial cannot be written as 3 plus 2 factorial. Number 3, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. 4 factors what? 4, 3, 2, 1. Minus 3 factors what? 3 into 2 into 1, which is 24 minus 6, 18. And what will happen to 4 minus 3 factorial? 4 minus 3 factorial, which is what? 1 factorial. And the value of 1 factor is what? 1. So from 3 and 4, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial cannot be written as 4 minus 3 factorial. If you are thinking to take common, we cannot. The next is 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 2 factorial, just now I get 2, 3 factorial 6 will give you 12. And 2 into 3 factorial, which is 6 factorial. 6, 5, 4, 3. 2 into 1 will give you what? 720. From 5 and 6. 2 factorial into 3 factorial cannot be written as what? 2 into 3 factorial. Next is 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial. 12 factorial can be written as 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 into 6 factorial. Divide by 6 factorial. 6 factorial will get cancelled. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7. 12 into 11, 132 into 10, 1320 into 72 into 7. Now multiply them. That will be what? And 8 is what? 12 upon 6 factorial. 2 factorial. 2 into 1. 2. 1320 into 504. Into 504 will give you 665280. 5280. And 2 factors 1, 2 into 1, which is 2. From 7 and 8 we get 12 factorial upon 6 factorial cannot be written as 12 upon 6 factorial. This is what you need to remember. Let us proceed further. N upon 6 factorial is equal to 4 upon 8 factorial plus 3 upon 6 factorial. Consider n upon 6 factorial, 4 upon 8 factorial plus 3 upon. So n is equal to 4 into 6 factorial upon 8 factorial plus 3 into 6 factorial upon. We'll just cross multiply 6 factorial. So n is equal to 4 into 6 factorial. See, in factorial notation, larger number will write in the form of a smaller number. So between 6 and 8, 8 is what larger. So 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial will get cancelled. So n is equal to 6 factorial cancel, 4 into 8, 2 7 14, 1 upon 14 plus 3. 14 is 42 plus 1, 43 by 14. Right. Right in factorial form. Whenever we write anything in factorial form, then we have to write that number till 1 keep on multiplying in descending order. So here we need some extra number 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what extra we have to multiply into 7, 8, 9, 10. तो जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा मल्टीप्लाई किया उसको डिवाइड भी कर दो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now numerator is what? 1 to 10 can be written as 10 factorial, whereas denominator is what? 1 to 6. So we converted this in the form of factorial. Second one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25. Now how to write this in factorial notation? 5, 10, 15 into 20 into 25 can be written as 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 5 into 5. Now there are 5 brackets and each bracket contains one 5. So 5 and multiply 5 times will give you what? 5 raised to 5. After this, what is left? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is left, which is 5 raised to 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 product is what? 5 factorial. Number 3, x plus 2 factorial. Find x belongs to natural number such that find x belongs to set of natural numbers such that x plus 2 factorial upon 2x minus 1 factorial. X plus 2 factorial upon 2x minus 1 factorial into 2x plus 1 factorial upon x plus 3 factorial. X plus 3 factorial is equal to 72 upon 7. Consider x plus 2 factorial upon 2x minus 1 factorial into 2x plus 1 factorial upon x plus 3 factorial is equal to 72 upon 7. In factorial, as I told, larger number will write in the form of smaller. So here, between x plus 2 and x plus 3, larger is what? X plus 3. between 2x plus 1 into x minus 1, larger is what 2x minus 1. तो स्मॉलर नंबर को ऐसे रखो, x plus 2 factorial upon 2x minus 1 factorial. 2x plus 1 factorial को क्या करेंगे, 2x plus 1 एक एक कम करते जाओ, 2x फिर एक और कम करेंगे तो 2x minus 1 and put factorial here. X plus 3 can be written as x plus 3 into 1 less will give you what? X plus 2 factorial. 72 upon 7. Now x plus 2 factorial into x minus 1 factorial cancel. What is left? 2x plus 1 into 2x divided by x plus 3, 72 upon 7. Now this 2 and 72 cancel. What is left? 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 36 upon 7. Now multiply for 2x square plus x upon x plus 3 is equal to 36 upon 7. Cross multiply. So 14x square plus 7x, 36x plus 108. Bring all the terms on this side. So 14x square, 7 minus 36 will give you what? Minus 29 minus 108. 14 into 108. 14 is what? 2 into 7. And into 36, 3 into 36. 36 is what? 3 into 2 into 2. एक फैक्टर हो गया 4. After subtraction must get 29. 56 minus 27. We are getting 29. This means it is what? 56 and 27. So 14x square minus 56x plus 27x minus 108 is equal to 0. Take 14x common, x minus 4. 27 common, x minus 4. Take x minus 4 common, 14x plus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is what? 4 or x is minus 27 by 14. Since x belongs to natural number, therefore x is what? 4. Thank you very much. Next time we'll do some more problems on factorial notation. मानव जीवन बहुत ही दुर्लभ है प्राप्त करना, तो मैं तो यही चाहूंगा कि इस जीवन में अगर तुमको मानव शरीर मिला है तो लोगों की मदद कीजिए और एक कॉन्फिडेंस से आगे बढ़ते रहिए। ईश्वर उसी की मदद करता है जो स्वयं की मदद करता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।